Hello guys, welcome all of you. Today we will see next chapter of digital electronics is logic gates. In this, so what is logic gates? Logic gate is an electronic circuit that performs a Boolean logical operation. And logic gates are the basic building blocks of any digital system. It is an electronic circuit having one or more than one inputs and only one output. The relationship between the input and the output is based on a certain logic. So based on this logic, the gates are named as NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate, NAND gate and NOR gate. In this, we uses only the binary numbers, that is 0 and 1. It is called as binary algebra or logical algebra. So in this binary algebra or logical algebra, variables used can have only two values, that is binary 1, and we called it as high, and binary 0 for low. We use binary 1 as high and binary 0 as low. So the basic gates in this are AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. And the universal gates are NAND gate and NOR gate. And the special gates are XOR and XNOR gate. So we will first see OR gate. So what is OR gate? OR gate is a basic gate which has two or more input but only one output. In this, the output is high if any one of the input is high. So in this, we will see logic symbol of the OR gate. In this, the two inputs are here. This is OR gate. This is A, one input. This is B, another input, and we will get the output here. So this is the logical symbol of OR gate, and the Boolean expression of this is, so what will comes to the output? Y equals to A plus B, nothing but the OR operation or the addition of the two input gates, two inputs. So this is the Boolean expression. So what is the Boolean expression? The relation between the inputs and the output gate can be expressed mathematically by means of Boolean expression. Then we can write the truth table of this OR gate. So what is truth table? The operation of a logic gate can be best understood with the help of table called as truth table. The truth table consists of all possible combinations of the inputs and the corresponding state of output of a logic gate. So we can write here first inputs and here output. In this, A and B are the inputs and Y is the output. So first, if we apply 0, 0 to the input, then what will it get? here 0 first apply, here 0 apply. That means in the terms of binary algebra or logical algebra, 0 means off and this 0 means off, that is low logic, that is inputs are off. So when we apply 0 0 to the inputs, we will get the output. So put here value a is 0 plus b is 0, therefore we will get 0. Output is 0, that means the gate is off, that is low, that means off. Then apply 0 to the A input and 1 to the B input, then what will you get? Output is 1. Then apply 1 to the A input and 0 to the B, so we get 1. Then apply 1 to the A input and also 1 to the B input, we will get 1. That means gate is on. So this is nothing but the truth table of OR gate. So this is logical symbol, this is logical expression or the Boolean expression, and this is the truth table of OR gate. Then next is AND gate. So what is AND gate? AND gate is a basic gate which has 2 or more input but only one output, and the output is high if all the inputs are high. We see here in the previous slide that the output is high if any one of the input is high. See here input is high, here input is high, here input is high, so we will get the output is high. So any one of the input A or the B is high, then we will get the output is high. So in this AND gate, output is high if all the inputs are high. So see logical symbol of AND gate. Here input A, input B, and this is the output. So this is the logical symbol of AND gate, and Boolean expression is Y. Boolean expression means relation between input and output. So Y is equals to A into B, or A and B. Then see the truth table. Here A, B and the Y is output. Then first we will apply 0 to the A, 0 to the B. Then put these values in this Boolean expression, we will get 0. Then apply 0 to the A, 1 to the B, then we will get 0. Apply 1 to the A and 0 to the B, we will get 0. Apply A to the 1 and B to the 1, then we will get 1. Therefore, we seen that output is high if all the inputs, see here, A is high and B is also high, then we will get output is high. So this is nothing but AND gate.